Before you can 3D print these designs you've created in Inventor, you first have to convert them into file types that can be used with your 3D printer slicer. So our part files in Inventor have a file extension of .ipt for part files, Inventor part files. Most 3D printer slicers will use STL files or lithography files. So this is just my little example here, and I'm showing you it is a three-dimensional part. It's ready to go on the printer. So when I'm done, I hit save to make sure it has my most recent changes in there saved. I'm going to go to File, Export, and then you're going to get a bunch of options here. We're going to choose CAD format. In CAD format, it's going to pop up here with a Save As dialog box. Now you're going to give your name an appropriate name here. So mine is a nameplate example. I'm just going to put a 2 at the end here. And then this is the important part at the bottom here. It's going to say Save As Type. You want to hit this drop down and you want to go find STL files, and in brackets it should say .stl, because by default mine showed up as STL files because that's what I've done on here recently, but often by default it's going to show up as a DWG here. So you need to make sure you come down, find STL files, and select that. Now here's a quick note. If you're doing this in a different program other than Inventor, this might say lithography and then in brackets say .stl, and that's correct as well. Those are the same thing. So in Inventor it says STL files.stl. Other Autodesk software might say lithography.stl. Just make sure the extension is in fact .stl. Choose that, choose where you're going to go ahead and save it, and click Save. Now you can go into your File Explorer, find that file, and that is the one you will drag into your slicer so that you can 3D print it out.